namaste, welcome to Greet Arrow. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you are having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. It means a lot to me. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today's pick a card reading is about what you can expect for the month of September 2021. That is going to be the reading for today. Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. Okay, so today I have kept runes for you guys. So select a rune that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so the first group, the rune is Fehu for group number 1. I hope you can see it, but it's not that clear, I guess. So yeah, it's the Fehu rune for group number 1. For group number 2, Ansu's rune. And for group number 3, Ingwas. It's Ingwas rune for group number 3. So close your eyes, relax, connect with your intuition and select a pile. You can go with 1, 2 or 3. So, or you can go with the runes. So close your eyes, relax, or you can just connect yourself with the symbol. Okay, group number 1, I'll just show you again. Group number 2, hope you can see it, right? And group number 3. So the timestamps will be provided in the description box, so you can watch the video accordingly. So I'm going to start with group number 1, people. Hello, group number 1. If you have chosen this rune, Fehu rune, then let's see what is your message for the month of September 2021, what you need to expect for September 2021. Okay, so with this rune, I feel abundance is what is for you guys for the month of September 2021, because Fehu rune is about wealth, abundance, prosperity, right? So I feel for the month of September, for some of you, there will be increase in your abundance. Money wise, there will be an increase for you guys. So yeah, money wise all seems good for you guys. Wealth, abundance, maybe it can be abundance in form of like a relationship, also a lot of love vibe also I'm getting. So money wise, definitely there is a increase for you guys. Okay, so if you have been struggling with money, or if you were feeling like you are not having enough to save or something like that, that is not going to be the case for September, because you will be able to save money. Maybe if you want to invest in something, you will be able to do that. Maybe you want to save money for something that you want to buy later, or maybe you want to save for your dream vacation or something like that. That's quite possible for this month. Maybe you will get a lot of opportunities. Maybe you will receive different opportunities. If you work like part-time, or if you work from home, maybe you will receive a lot of opportunities. In that case, you will be able to make lots of money. Okay, so that's what I feel. And let's see what is your overall energy. So this is the overall energy. So we have second house assets, and this is ruled by Taurus. So it's like a lot of stability, a lot of security, a lot of groundedness. You will be very grounded in the month of September 2021. I feel like materialistically, we were talking about that wealth wise, it's going to be good. Like if you want to buy something, you will be able to buy in the month of September. If you will have some extra cash to buy that luxury items that you wanted to buy. Maybe you wanted to buy a sunglass and you were hoping for that. Finally you will be able to get the money and you will be able to buy it. Maybe for some of you, you might receive some money from your elders, or from maybe you will receive some bonus or extra cash. Maybe for some of you, credit or something like that. There is little bit of increase in your finances, money wise, abundance wise. Maybe you will get a good gift and you will feel very luxurious. So September is all about having that luxurious lifestyle. Maybe you will feel very abundant. For some of you, maybe you will do shopping, you will buy clothes. So that's the thing. And for some of you, this is a message for you guys to recognize your own talents, because your talents will give you a lot of success. Maybe for some of you, you have a hobby like you paint, but you're not taking it seriously. Maybe it's time to take it seriously. So maybe you will be able to paint something and people will like it and they will buy it. So through that you will get some extra cash. So that is something I feel. Take note of your talents. What are you talented in? So if you have some certain talent, use that talent, because that talent will make you successful. Something like that. Maybe for some of you, if you have a hobby that can turn into career, like the first, you will see the first steps. Maybe for some of you, you are very good at knitting. Maybe you knit. Maybe people will come and like, hey, can you knit this for me? And you will be able to do that, and because of it, you will be able to receive some extra cash. So that's what I feel. For some of you, you're good at makeup, so maybe there will be someone who will reach to you. They will ask you to do makeup for them, and in return you will be given some gift or money. So that's something. So use your talents this month. Don't let fear come in between. So definitely there is a growth in your finances, security wise, stability wise. I feel good things. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is for your career. We have instability and well-being. These two cards came out for your career for the month of September 2019. Why I said 2019? Okay, so something, maybe for some of you, you have been struggling with your career. Okay, yeah, 2019, from 2019 you might be struggling, something like that. It's a very specific message because it came out of my mouth. So but I feel that cycle is ending for you guys. Okay, you're leaving that situation, maybe a job that is not so good, you might be leaving it. You're doing something that is good for you guys. Maybe you're leaving a toxic environment, place where people are not supportive, where people don't support. They are very toxic. They try to like say things like that you're not worthy, or they might shame you. Maybe there are racist people. So that's a sort of thing. You're living that environment. You're moving away from instability to look, we have instability and well-being. You're moving towards well-being. We told you, so for some of you, it's like you are understanding your own talents, your own skills. Maybe the place you worked before, in that place your skills, your ideas were not appreciated, but finally you are recognizing your own skills, your own talents, and you're moving to a place where people will support you. You're meeting good people. That is something I feel. They will give you money, they will support you. So you're meeting a boss, maybe, and you will have a new job, or if you have a new job already, I feel this place will give you that security, that stability you always desired. Maybe they will give you some extra cash. Look, we have different colors, right? Everything is balanced. So we took this for your career and finances, right? So from this instability, with all the chakra colors are there, so everything is getting balanced, right? So your career is getting balanced. Finally you're receiving the support you always wanted from others. Finally you're receiving that help from your family members. Finally your family is understanding you, why you left that job. They're supporting you, they're giving you that support, mental support, like emotionally they are supporting you, money wise they are supporting you. So that is something. So I feel like this month you will be able to pay your bills, you will be able to have some, you for some of you, I even feel like you will be able to save some cash for your for the future things that you desire to do in your life. Maybe for some of you it's maybe you want to buy some makeup products, you will be able to save it in this month. Okay, so yeah, you are living a toxic cycle, you're living a toxic workplace. Maybe for some of you, you thought that you were not able to do certain things, you felt like you're not talented enough. You're living that, you're embracing yourself, you're becoming very balanced. So yeah, a well-being. So maybe for some of you, you're moving to a better place because your career is like going good. So September month, I feel everything is going to be very good career wise. You will see growth, support from people. Maybe your boss will support you financially, or maybe your mother, father, parents might support you. But definitely the Eight of Cups situation, like where you're living a toxic environment, unstable environment, and moving towards stability. Okay, and we have the overall energy of Fehu and second house. So definitely there is increase in your abundance. for sure. So let's see love wise. Okay, speed. So we have this 8 of Wands. So if you are single, I feel like you will be meeting a lot of new people, you will be communicating, a lot of communication vibes I feel with this 8 of Wands energy. Like 8 of Wands energy is something happening very quickly. For some of you, like you will meet this person. If you're single, maybe you'll meet this person, you will get into the relationship. Everything will be very fast. Okay, fast paced energy. For some of you, if you're in relationship, you might be you might be traveling with this person, you will be enjoying a lot of intimacy also is something I feel with this 8 of Wands energy. It's fiery energy, it's a lot of passionate energy. So definitely a lot of good things I feel for you guys in your love area, because you're balancing your career, so you're able to spend some quality time with your partners. You're not stressed too much, you're enjoying with them, you're going out with them. So definitely you're changing your style, you're looking very good, very, you're looking very nice. I feel like you're dressing up very nicely. uh, you're spending some quality time, you're traveling. For some of you, there is a potential that you might travel with this person, you might enjoy good things like going to a luxurious hotel. Maybe this person will take you to a luxurious hotel where you will spend some quality time, or maybe you will, yeah, that's something I feel like. It's look, with the number we have 2 8s, right? And 8 is also about abundance, infinity, like a lot of opportunities you're receiving. For some of you, maybe your partner will give you some opportunities for your career. If you do something from your home, because of your partner, you might receive some offers. Because your partner's friends might give you some offer. Maybe if you do something from home, if you have a business or something like that, whatever. For some of you, it's like a specific message. Maybe you do something from home, and through your partner you're getting a lot of new clients. That is also I feel. And I feel like with this love, or like friendship also, like a lot of friends, you're meeting a lot of friends. There is like a lot of movement happening for you guys. You're meeting a lot of people, you're talking to a lot of people, you're feeling good about yourself, you're feeling very passionate, like that kind of energy for you guys in love. And we have spiritual. This is a spiritual message for you guys, for your spirituality. I feel with this Hanged Man, you're seeing a world little bit differently, I feel. Yeah, you're with this Hangman. I feel like maybe it's a message from your spirit guides to see things differently, like letting like this Hangman is have a different view, right? It's not the same view, it's a different view. So you are also seeing things from a different perspective, and because of it, I feel like a lot of changes are coming into your life. I feel for you guys, this September month is going to be very loving month. You will be loving yourself, you will be taking care of yourself, you will be buying some good things for yourself, you will have the money to buy, or maybe someone will offer you some gifts. So there is like a lot of balance also for you guys. You're taking care of yourself, you're wearing the dress you like, you're doing makeup, you're looking good, you're embracing yourself. That is also something I feel. And look, I feel I'm very attracted to the colorful, right? All the colors are there, so a lot of colorful things are going to happen. You will be seeing all the colors. It's maybe for some of you, you had this black and white energy, like you are not seeing the colors, life was very dull, but finally life is going to be very colorful. Maybe you're attending parties, you're meeting like-minded people. But with this card also, there is an aspect of surrendering to the divine, having faith. That is also for you guys very important. Yeah, very important this month. Whenever you feel very stressed, whenever you feel like, oh my god, what is happening, if you feel you're thinking too much, just surrender, have faith, pray to divine. So maybe for some of you this month, you need to have a spiritual practice also, like waking up, lighting a lamp, or doing meditation, like a routine. It will be very beneficial for you guys this month if you do it. Yeah, that is something I feel like. Maybe for some of you, just light a candle when you wake up, pray to the divine, and that will be very good. Or chanting will be very good for you guys. Okay, if you are able to do it, do it. So if you are manifesting wealth, just do the chant for that, like stream breezy, do that chant. or if you're trying to open up your third eye, or whatever you're doing, just chanting will help you a lot, I feel, this month. But if you're feeling very stuck, okay, we have speed and we have hanged man also, right? So I feel like things are going to move fast for you guys this month. So if you've been feeling like things are not moving fast, if you're feeling unstable, you're not, overall I feel like that with these cards. If you have been feeling unstable, you're not feeling that stability, you're not feeling that growth, maybe you, in your love area, you're not, if you were feeling like that, that is gonna go. Things are going to move at a great speed for you guys in month of September, financially, spiritually, and love wise also. There is a lot of movement happening for you guys, okay? So that is something I feel for you guys. So what you need to surrender this month, okay, to have a great month. So what you need to surrender? Yeah, we have surrender stress. That is what you need to surrender. So that's why we have the hangman energy also. So I was talking you about having that faith, immense faith in spirit. So even if you feel like things are not moving the way you want, have faith, surrender to divine, because everything will be okay for you guys. So don't be in your head, okay guys? That is the message that you need to know right now, that this month there might be certain challenges. Everyone has to go through certain challenges, but the way you approach that challenge is very important. Stress will not give you anything, right? Stress is only going to take away that moment from you. So be in the present moment, don't think too much, don't stress too much. Instead, pray to divine, meditate, use some positive affirmations. That will be very helpful for you guys overall, okay? So if you're worrying about your finances, you don't need to worry, because things are coming together for you guys, okay? Things are coming together, everything is coming together. If you're feeling stuck, that block, the block is being removed. You are going to have a straight road, okay? So yeah, so what are your messages from your spirit guys? Guides, life force, express your driving passion, sensual and sexual powers are increased. So a lot of creativity I feel for you guys this month. You will receive a lot of ideas, so take note of that idea. So if you're someone who work from home, if you have a creative business, take that ideas and work on that ideas, okay? So with this, with this love also, we have this 8 of Wands energy. I feel like you will be looking very good, you will be looking very attractive. That's something I feel like. You are dressing up, you're looking attractive. So if you're single, people are coming DMing you, you are attracting a lot of people. That is something I feel. And you have everything that you need to make happen in your life. You have that power, you have that talent, okay? And with this antenna, that is also, I feel like you're receiving a lot of info, a lot of messages, a lot of creative ideas from the divine. Take note of that ideas and work on that idea. So if you're very passionate about something, if you receive an idea, work on it, okay? Work, don't stop yourself, take action, okay? At the same time, relax also, that is also very important. But whenever you get an idea, go for it. If you get an opportunity, don't fear, don't stress about it, instead work on it, okay? And whenever you feel very, very stressed, you can just relax, do something that you love. Maybe watch a movie, relax, maybe laugh, okay? Maybe spend some, if you have a partner, if you stay with your partner, spend some quality time with them. If you have a child, spend some quality time with them. If you have a pet, do that with them, okay? So that's important for some of you. Nature will also be very good. If you can spend some quality time in nature, that will be very good for you guys. And for some of you, I feel like you need to work on your heart center, like keep your hands on your heart center and just say that positive affirmations, or say the things that you want to manifest in your life, okay? That is something I feel for you guys. But definitely a lot of you are going to be very powerful. You will feel powerful, you will feel like, oh yes, I can attract whatever I want to attract in my life. So there is like this positive aspect you're coming into. So like you're releasing a lot of stuff, you're letting go of a lot of stuff that is not serving you, like 8 of Cups energy, right? You're learning to move from unstable people, situations, arguments, you're moving away from that. Maybe it's your thoughts that are not so good, you're moving away, you're letting go of it. Okay, and then we have the message from your spirit guides, a new earth, it's happening, keep holding the vision. So you have a lot of power, right? I told you, you can make it happen. So things are happening, don't give up now. So whatever you're planning to do this month, keep on working on it, because it's happening. Maybe you will not see it right away, you're not going to see it, but it's happening. So keep your vision, believe in yourself, have faith with this card. I told you, have faith, surrender the stress, because whatever you want to achieve in your life, you can achieve it. You have the potential, things are slowly becoming. So if you want to get ahead in your career, that is happening. If you want to move forward with your relationship, that is happening. If you want to get creative, that is happening. If you want to have this progress in your spirituality, that is happening. So a lot of if you want to make your hobby a career or something like that, that is also happening. So whatever vision you have, so yeah, that's the thing. If you have a vision, that is happening, that is manifesting for you guys. So keep holding that vision, believe in it, have faith, give your 100%, because it's happening. So that is the message from your spirit guide. So the last message for you guys is from the fairies. Courage, young heart, stand tall, don't let the love decrease, you are warrior of peace. So yeah, stand tall. Yeah, there will be points when you will feel very stressed, because sometimes you will think like, oh my god, what I am doing with my career, oh my god, what I am doing with my love life, what will happen. There might be points in the month of September where you feel like that. Okay, but you are very courageous, everything is going to be okay. You and love yourself, take care of yourself. Self-love is very important. Take care of your body, take care of your health, eat leafy vegetables, add some green foods and orange food in your diet. That is something I feel. Okay, embrace more joy, optimism into your life, watch movie. And yes, you're very courageous people, you're very strong people. And yeah, I feel like a lot of peace is happening for you guys. You will feel that inner peace. When you will surrender the stress, you will feel very peaceful, very calm. Okay, so that's your message for the month of September. Bye bye, take care. Group number 2, if you have chosen the rune or Anzus, let's see what is your message. So for the September month, what I feel for you guys is there is going to be a communication, a significant communication you will receive, and because of this communication, a lot of truth will be revealed for you guys, a lot of wisdom, a lot of truth. You might get a lot of clarity, and this will be a blessing for you guys. I feel like a lot of signs from universe, a lot of signals from universe. That is something. And for some of you, it's like you will get a lot of inspiration. You will be very enthusiastic in the month of September. A lot of enthusiasm. Okay, a lot of peace, a lot of harmony, good health. Also, you will have the energy to work towards your goals. Okay, so yeah, there is an important communication that is going to come for you guys in the September 2021. Okay, and yeah, there is a lot of blessings also. Maybe you will it will take unexpected turns for you guys. Maybe there will be some unexpected events happening that you will feel like, oh my god, why is this happening? But at the end, it will be a blessing for you guys. Okay, so let's see what is the overall energy for you guys in the month of September 2021, group number 2. So you have got Capricorn, the boss. Okay, so with this Capricorn energy, Capricorn is ruled by Saturn. So yeah, wisdom, truth. So yeah, you're learning from your past mistakes. So maybe this is the time, if you are planning to write your resume, it's like it's the time to do that. If you want to go for an interview, it's the time to do that. Maybe for some of you, it's the time to step up for your goals, like do whatever you want to do to achieve your goals. It's the time of hard work, because Saturn is all about wisdom, but it makes us to do that hard work, right? So yeah, you will be very enthusiastic. You will have that energy, that good health to go for your goals. So yeah, it's going to be a very goal oriented month for you guys. You will be taking action towards your goals. For your career, you will be trying to improve your career. You will be learning a lot of things. You will not be repeating your past mistakes. So a lot of wisdom, a lot of truth, a lot of clarity for some of you. Some of you might be receiving a letter, like we have this communication also. So maybe a new job you're getting, you're receiving letter, you're going for this new job, you're doing your best, you're becoming more ambitious. So it's all about this month to be very ambitious, to go for to reach for the stars, to work hard for your to reach that goals, desires that you have, right? And at the same time, little bit relaxation also something you need to do. And this is a month for discipline. I feel like you need to be very disciplined, like waking up every day, like at least for example, if you're planning just an example, like if you're planning to do exercise every day, so you have to get up early and you have to like start doing it. At least if you even feel like you're not, if you feel like you're not, you don't want to do it, sometimes we feel like that, we feel lazy, sometimes we don't want to get out of the bed. Even though just get up, just do it for 5 minutes, like do that for, at least for 5 minutes. That's something you need to make do for the September month. I feel like at least for 5 minutes do that, okay? But definitely you will reach your goals through your hard work. Yeah, I feel like you're going to be very ambitious, very disciplined. And yeah, if you are in this corporate field, you will be working hard, you will be giving the ideas. So yeah, so let's see what else for you guys. So in career, we have 10 of Swords energy and innovation. We have the King of Wands. From look, Capricorn is also 10 number, and we have again 10. So it's like you're ending a chapter with this 10 of Swords. So for some of you, it's like getting a new job, like ending of a phase where your career was not moving forward, where you feel like the people are backstabbing, where there are no people, like yeah, maybe your ideas are not valued. So finally you are, I feel like in the month of September you are releasing that past things, okay? Maybe in your past you have gone through certain things like that, and because of it you have fear. So I feel like you're going to release a lot of fear this month, and you're becoming more ambitious. With this innovation also, you're becoming the lion again. You're moving forward with your goals, with your ideas. You're like, yes, I can do this, I will make it, I will go forward. You're finally seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. So like maybe for some of you lost hope with your career. Oh my god, I'll not be able to achieve things, I will not be able to get that promotion, I'll not be able to make that happen. You were thinking like that, but finally in the month of September you're becoming more ambitious again. You are in this fiery energy. You have learned a lot of lessons, because we have that Saturn energy here, right? You had to do a lot of things again and again. Some Saturn makes us do things twice. I feel like it's like a little bit difficult. There's a lot of obstacles thrown, but at the same time you're learning a lot of lessons also. So I feel like you're coming out of that phase. You are in this King of Wands energy, where you have that power to do the things that you want. You're becoming more ambitious. You're the lion. You're understanding that you have the power. You're not giving power to other people. You're doing things by yourself, okay? So that is something I feel for you guys. In the career front, you are going to be very ambitious, you're going to be very strong, and you're moving forward with your goals. No one can stop you now, okay? You're going to be very disciplined, you're creating things, so it's look good. I feel, yeah, I feel like it's going to go good. Your mentality is shifting. You're like, no, I'm not going to give power to other people. Why I should give power to other people? I'm going to make it happen for myself. I'm going to work hard, and I'm going to make it happen. No one can take advantage of me. You're not going to allow people to take advantage of you anymore, okay? You're not going to do other people's work, you're going to do your work, okay? So that's something I feel for you guys. Group number 2, let's see what is the message for love. We have 3 of Cups and 4 of Pentacles, order and joy. So things are coming. I feel like for many of you, you will be celebrating something like with your family members. So with this joy, maybe meeting your friends, enjoying some gala time, talking things. So that is something I feel like, or maybe you need to do it in the month of September, because I feel like you will be very busy, you will be very ambitious, you will be going to your goals, you will be working so hard. Yeah, so maybe you need to make some time for your friends, your families. Yeah, with this 4 of Pentacles and this order card, like things are coming together for you guys in love area also. Like finally you're getting the respect that you deserve. I don't know why I feel like maybe your parents told you that you're not doing good enough in your career. What are you doing? So maybe finally you're getting that respect, that recognition from your parents, or maybe you're getting that support from your parents. Finally, things are coming in order. Or maybe for some of you, if you're married, your partner told you that you're not hardworking enough. Maybe something happened, but finally you're resolving that conflict between you and your partner, and things are finally coming in order because you're also ready to get out of your comfort zone. You're getting out of your comfort zone, you're letting go of that fear and moving forward. And because of it, uh, because of it you're going to because of it, your love area is also getting good. So maybe because of your career, your love area was affected, but finally because your career is moving forward, your love area is also coming in order. Okay, for some of you, because of your finances, your love area might have been a little bit problematic, but because you are moving forward with your career, things are easing up in your love area also. So you will have some money, you'll have money to spend on your family, friends, so on your partner. Okay, maybe finances were tight, but finally you will have the money, so you can spend on family members. So things are easing up, your partner is understanding you, you are understanding them, so they are supporting you, you are supporting them, so things are getting in order for you guys. For some of you, you might be going to your friend's celebration, or for some of you it's like you're getting a new job, so you're celebrating with your friends. That is also something, but I feel like your love and your career are a little bit connected here. Career area, things are getting balanced, and like that wise your love area is also getting balanced, because maybe for some of you, you were not able to give time to other people, but in the month of September you will be working also, at the same time you will be giving time to other people also. Okay, because you will not be so stressed. Okay, you are like, you're not worrying about the backstabbers, you're not worrying about your past anymore, so you're believing in yourself, you're having utter faith in yourself, and you're moving forward because you're very ambitious, so you know that you can make it happen. You are the line, you're understanding your own power. For some of you, I even feel like, you might receive a promotion or something like that in the month, because if you have been trying for that, for an upper position, and because of it, so you might be celebrating that is something I feel like. So you will have time to spend with your family also, and if you're not spending time with your family, so it's like a message for you guys to spend a little bit time with them also. Yeah, you are focused on your career, you're doing your best, you're trying your hard, you're making things happen, but at the same time you need to spend some time with them also. Maybe for some of you, you might feel very good when you spend time with them, you will feel very light, and they will also feel very happy, right? Because if you have kids, spend some time with them. Okay, so let's see what else is your spiritual message. We have, you're healing your past. That is something. With the spiritual message, we have this rest card, that is 4 of Swords energy, and interestingly you got like 2 fours also. 4 is all about stability, security, right? So you're moving towards that, towards stability, security. You're making a position for yourself. That is what I feel. You're making a position, a respectable position for yourself. And with the spiritual message, rest. So maybe you will you might not sleep so well, so it's important that you sleep well, like, because you will be so much into work, so maybe you will not take that much of rest or something like that. So it's a message from spirit for you guys to take rest, because rest is also important. Don't burn yourself, don't overwork yourself. Okay, so at least take 6 hours nap, that will be very good for your body. And eat healthy, take that so if you like going out with your partner, having some relaxation time, that is very important. But you're healing your past. That is with this 10 of Swords, I feel like you're healing your past, your failures. You're understanding why you failed at that time, you're learning the lessons, you're understanding people's mind games. Okay, so it felt, so for some of you, there have been narcissist people, narcissist boss. You're understanding their mind games, you're not giving in now, you're not giving your power to them anymore, so you're healing that. So that chapter has been closed, I feel like. So you're becoming powerful, and no one can deceive you anymore. So that's something I feel like. So yeah, what is the thing that you need to surrender in order to have a very good month? That is surrender your ego. So when you feel like you need help, just ask for help. Don't be so, let that ego go. So there is like, yeah, you are, maybe you never used to trust your intuition, but you are now trusting your intuition. That is also something I feel like. And for some of you, I feel like you will be trusting your intuition. And with the surrender your ego, you need to let that go. So if you feel like you need to talk to a person, just go and talk to. Don't hold that grudge, because I feel like you need to let go of that. With this 10 of swords energy, you need to let go of that past resentments. Don't carry that resentment with you, because it will not help you in the future. So forgive them and move forward. So if you want help, ask for help. If you want, if you are not able to do things by yourself, go ask. There is no problem in asking for help. So let that ego go. So if you have fight with your partner, just talk to them. Don't let that ego come in between you. So that is something you need to take note of. Okay, so if you're going out and there are friends, so don't let that ego keep you like, oh, I have to pay for everyone. No, you don't have to. You can split the bill, right? Don't let that ego come in between. Like you have to pay. There's so much. Sometimes we feel like that. We have to do it. We have to do it. Otherwise, that will go. No. Just let that ego go. Okay. Trust your intuition and let that ego go. And relationship in your workplace. So the spirit guides. So we have cosmic gateway. Your thoughts are magnetic and powerful. Miraculous changes are occurring. So there is a lot of growth for you guys this month. I feel like that. And you look at that. You're going to manifest a lot of good things. So your thinking is going to be very important. So how you're going to think will be very important for you guys in the month of September. So if you are having a lot of negative thoughts, maybe that will manifest for you guys. So it's important to keep that thoughts positive. So whenever you're having a negative thought, relax, connect with yourself. If you can sleep and let that go, so you can get back into that positive state. Okay, I'm not saying that you have to be always positive. Sometimes it's not possible, because we live in a world like that, right? So but you can change your mood, you can change that energy, right? So do something that makes you happy and do that. Okay, that's very important. So keep your thoughts positive in the month of September about your work, about people. That will be very helpful for you guys, for your own good, for your own achievements. Look, we have this Horus eye also. So I feel like I told you, intuition, you need to listen to your intuition more. Sometimes you listen to your ego more, right? Ego says that you will not be able to do it, that you don't have to talk, ego says that sort of things. Ego says that you will not be able to make it. Ego says that you are not good enough. So cut that ego and listen to that loving wisdom, that loving inner voice. Okay. And yeah, if you have been manifesting a lot of things career wise, I feel like you're opening a lot of doors for you guys, a lot of opportunities for you guys. You're coming in that powerful position. And the next called soul gifts and training. It's time to step up. Okay, so for some of you, it's like you will be taking like good extra courses or maybe some training so that you can move forward in your career. If you are called to, if you feel like, just go for it. I was talking about a lot of doors are opening up for you guys, and look at the door. Yeah, the door is opening. The universe is opening up a lot of doors for you guys. So sometimes you might receive an opportunity where you didn't think you will receive that opportunity. Sometimes that happens. So like a lot of opportunities are going to come your way. And listen, I feel like you are advancing your soul gifts also, like you're listening to intuition more, letting go of that ego. So this is a message for you, advice for you. Let go of that ego and listen to your intuition more. So if you feel like that you are intuitive, you have that clairvoyant abilities, take note of that. If you can meditate with this rest card also, meditation, yoga, if you make time for that, that is going to be very beneficial for you guys in career also, in relationship also. Okay. And remember that universe is connected, right? So what you think, your inner affects your outer world. So how your inner world is, keep note on that. Okay. So, and the last card from the fairies is sleep. Yes, you will be hardworking, right? You will be very disciplined, but at the same time, remember to sleep. Have that 6 to 8 hours sleep. Don't for some of you, I feel like you will be overworking and you will not be sleeping well. So maybe this is a message for you guys with this rest card. Also, you need to rest, you need to take breaks. Okay, don't forget. Underneath the nighttime skies, fairies sing you lullabies. Okay, so yeah, so it's important to sleep. It's important to have a good sleep time. Okay, that's very important for you guys. So that's all for my lovelies. Bye bye, take care. Hello lovelies, if you have chosen this Inkwaz rune, Inkwaz, so this is your message for the month of September 2021. Okay, so with this Inkwaz rune, there is a lot of new beginnings that is happening for you guys in the month of September 2021. A lot of family love, a lot of peace, a lot of harmony, fertility. It's going to be a very, very fertile period also for some of you. If you're trying to manifest something in your life, yeah, it's the best. You will be planting the seeds and things will grow for you guys in the month of September. I feel like you will not be so anxious in the month of September. You will feel very close to the nature. You will feel very close to your family. You will feel like that you're supported. You will feel like there are people around you who are good for you. Like you will have friends who you can talk to. So like a lot of peace, a lot of harmony. So you feel like if you're feeling lonely, you have that you can call someone and talk to someone. So that kind of energy, a lot of peace, a lot of harmonious energy. So if you are a male watching this, I feel like this is going to be like a lot of fertile period for you guys also. So if you're trying to become a father, that is quite possible for you guys. So yeah, it's like new beginnings, new seeds are blooming, like you're planting new seeds and you're planting new trees are growing. So it's like period of growth, inner growth also, like yeah, from inside you're growing, you're becoming more wiser, more stronger, more courageous. So that's what September is about. So I feel like if you have an obstacle in your life, you'll be like, okay, this is an obstacle and I will be able to overcome it. Like that kind of attitude you're going to keep this month. I feel like that. Okay, so let's see. So the overall energy for you guys is perception, third house, it is the ruled by Gemini. Okay, so yeah, there is going to be a lot of communication for you guys. If you are in social media, I feel like for some of you there is going to be a lot of communication, a lot of emails, a lot of messages you will be receiving. Okay, but what happens is maybe you will be too much into social media. If you're too much into social media, or if you are only constantly seeing other people's picture, what they are doing with their life, maybe it will not be so good for you guys. So maybe this month you need to reduce your screen time. So this is also something I feel like, maybe because when we are always seeing that bad news in the media, maybe you will be seeing a lot of news and you will get disturbed. So maybe you need to, I'm not saying that you don't have to watch social media and all, not that, but maybe you need to let go of the people who are not giving you good vibes. Okay, maybe for some of you it's like unfollowing certain people who are not giving you good vibes, not watching media when you are not feeling good, right? So take care of your mental health. So it's time to filter the things that you're watching. So what are you absorbing? Because we absorb, right? We absorb the news, we absorb the energy, right? So what we are seeing in media. So when you are going to sleep, don't watch certain news that are very negative. So that is something you need to take care of in the month of September. So filter out the social media thing. So if you want to not watch Instagram for like a week, do that if it's possible. Like, yeah, take care of that. That is something important for you guys, for your mental health, for your physical health, everything. You know, sometimes we are too much glued into the social media. Maybe are you too much watching social media? So yeah, you need to take care of your eyes, you need to take care of your body, you need to no, through social media sometimes we compare ourselves to other people, we absorb that negative news and we stress, right? So that is not going to be very beneficial for you guys. So maybe you need to take cut something, like filter out things in the month of September, or maybe if you can go like 1 week without social media, that will be very good for you guys. So you can have that alone time where you can connect with nature, where you can receive messages, where you can listen to your inner self, right? Because in Guas Rune is also about inner growth. So when we cut that media out, cut that nonsense from our life, right? Some of the nonsense that is not good for us. I'm sorry if I'm saying like that, but I feel like sometimes there is so much nonsense happening. Like what are we watching? Even we just waste time sometimes. So when you cut that off, you will be able to connect with yourself. You'll be able to connect with the divine, and you'll be able to receive a lot of information. So a lot of creative things, a lot of, if you're writers, if you're bloggers, if you are content creators, whatever you do, maybe you'll receive a lot of creative ideas at that time. So yeah, you will be feeling very much peaceful, very harmonious. You will be connected with the nature. So that kind of energy I'm feeling. Okay, and with the shoes, so I'm like, maybe for some of you will buy new shoes, yeah, maybe someone will gift you some new shoes. And with this music also, maybe you need to listen music that warms your heart, that makes you feel good, or maybe listen to certain meditation music, do meditation, sometimes have it's important for you guys to have some quiet space for you guys. That will be very important. Okay, and I feel like you will be socializing a lot in the month of September. You will be connecting with your friends and family, as I told you, but it will be you will have a very good communication. I feel like the communication area will be very good. You will be able to you will be able to communicate your thoughts without misunderstandings. Yeah, that's something I feel. Okay, so for some of you, if you're songwriters, when you connect with yourself, when you take that time out, that is when you will be able to work. Yeah, you'll be able to give your 100%. So cut that social media if you feel like it. Okay, if you're resonating, like, just cut that. And interestingly, you are third pile and you have the 3 number. 3 number is all about growth, right? Celebration, growth, opportunities, joyful times, like connection with the divine, connection with your ancestor, connection with your ascended masters. So yeah, that's the thing. So you're taking steps, you're moving forward. With the shoes, that is also something I feel like you're moving forward with your life, you're moving forward with your desires. Instead of wasting your time in social media watching something that is not good for you guys, you're finally taking action for your own goals. Yeah, you're making yourself a priority, and that should be the case for you guys. Okay, so for career area, what is the message for you guys? I have 2 cards for that. We have Queen of Cups and we have 8 of Pentacles, right? So yes, I feel like you will be receiving a lot of intuitive messages. So if you are in a creative field, if you are in this communication field where you write, where you create content, where you do some advertisements, where you need that ideas, you're going to receive that ideas from spirit. With this Queen of Cups energy, she's so emotional, she's so intuitive, right? And it came with 8 of Pentacles. So yes, a lot of intuitive messages you will receive, a lot of creative messages you will receive, and take note of that and work towards it. Okay, so I feel like you will be working a lot in the month of September. You will be reading, you will be researching, you will be giving your 100% for your career. And with this eagle, you're going to fly away from your problems. You will get a lot of solutions, creative solution, new ideas. So if you are met with an obstacle, you will have the solution, because divine will give it the solution. Okay, so yeah, you're going to work harder, you're going to work hard, you're going to learn, you will be in touch with your emotions. I feel like for some of you, you will be able to work a lot, like you will be cutting some time off from social media, and so you will get some extra time, because you will not be wasting your time in the month of September. So you will be able to give you 100%. Okay, so your hard work will pay off your skills, you are advancing your skills. So yeah, it's like For some of you, you will be able to take care of your family as well as your career. Like with this Queen of Cups, that is also something I feel like taking care. You are going to balance both very easily. You are going to multitask. Okay, if you're mothers, you will be balancing everything very nicely, because you will not be wasting your time on useless things. That is something I feel. Okay, sometimes we need to watch some movies, sometimes we need to have that relaxation also. That's also important. You need to have that. But maybe you will not be wasting time on people that is not good for you, like wasting time watching the negative news, like the fear, the news that sometimes news brings a lot of fear into us. You are not going to do that. Okay, you're practicing self-love also. You're loving yourself, you're taking care of yourself, you're taking care of your career, you're loving your career, you're feeling very creative, you're feeling very passionate about your career, you're giving your 100%, you're trying to improve your skills. Maybe for some of you, you will do an extra online course that will help you with your career, or maybe you're reading books so that you can sharpen your skills. So yeah, career wise, there is a lot of you're going to be very passionate about your career. You're going to do your best, and like a lot of messages you're going to receive. You're going to be in touch with your emotions. You will trust your intuition when you're working. If you feel like you need to stop, you will stop. You listen to your body, I feel like. And for some of you, need to drink lots of water also. So while you're working, maybe you will forget to drink water, forget to eat food. So don't be like that. Take care of your body. Okay. So yeah, if you're preparing for some exams and all, just go for it. That will your hard work will definitely pay off. Okay, so let's see what else is for your love life. We have World. Okay, for love life, we got the World card, and World card is ruled by Saturn. So I feel like a lot of wisdom. You're learning a lot of lessons. So it's like you are ending a chapter. So for some of you, I feel like your bonds are becoming stronger. Okay, family bonds. You have learned a lot of lessons. You have like a cycle has ended, like a karmic cycle has ended. You're entering a new cycle, new phase, like new beginnings. With the Zingwas also, new beginnings, new phase. Like for some of you, like you're conceiving, becoming father, it's a new phase. Becoming mother, it's a new phase. Like getting for some of you, you're resolving family problems and you're starting new. For some of you, if you're single, you're meeting new people from different country, you're talking with them. For some of you, friends also, I feel like maybe you will make friends from a different country, like online friends. You're talking to them, you're having a good time, enjoying time. For some of you, if you're like in a long distance relationship, there is a chance that they will come to meet you and you will have a good time with them. Okay, so yeah, there is a lot of with this World card. Maybe for some of you will be traveling. That is also quite possible. And you have the number 3 again, right? So yeah, you're receiving that universal love. You will be feeling that love from the universe also. It's like spiritually also, spiritual love, lot of spiritual love. For some of you, I feel like you're meeting you will be meeting a person who will eventually become your partner. So that is like September. If you're single, I feel like you will be meeting someone new, or maybe a friend, a soul friend, that you can be able to connect with. Okay, but definitely it's all about your self love also. You're loving yourself, you're appreciating yourself, you're proud of your own achievements. Self love is also something I feel like you will be thinking, oh my god, I have overcome so many things, so many obstacles, now I'm doing good, I have achieved so much. Sometimes it's very easy to not see all the achievements that we have done. Sometimes we forget that, we don't celebrate our small achievements. So I feel like you will be very grateful for all the small achievements in the month of September, because you will have a very close connection with the universe. I feel like you're very close with universe. You are making a solid connection with the universe. Okay, I feel like you already have this connection. It's getting stronger and stronger. Okay, so you will receive a lot of signs, you will feel very connected, and if you want things, it will manifest very quickly for some of you. Like if you're going to airport, if you don't know the way, there will be people coming and telling you the way without even asking. So that something happened to me. So I felt like that maybe that is the case, because when we are connected, that's what happens, right? We will get help even without asking, right? So yeah, that's kind of a vibe I'm getting. things will be more easy for you guys. In love also, people will be understanding. So if you had problems with your spouse, they were not so understanding, finally they are making you and your partner are having a mutual understanding. Things are moving very good for you guys. So if you're already in a committed relationship, your relationship is going to be more stronger, very good in the month of September. And there's a lot of love for some of you. If you are in social media, if you do something like you've been working you'll be working so harder, your hard work is going to be appreciated. That is the love you're going to receive from other people. You will receive that recognition. For some of you, I even feel like that, like you will be appreciated, you will be recognized for your work. Okay, so yeah, let's see what else. Spiritual messages for you guys. What is the spiritual message for you guys? We have success, we have 10 of cups, and it's all about, again, family love. I feel like a lot of family love is going to be there, a lot of internal growth is going to be there. You will be loved by your partner, you will feel very loved, you will feel connected to the universe. You will feel connected to animals. Maybe you will feed animals, or maybe you will adopt a pet or whatever. You will feel very connected to the nature, instead of the fake things. I feel like you're letting go of that fake things. You're not into this fake relationships anymore, you're not into this fake items anymore. You don't want that anymore. All you want is like something that is real relationship, a relationship where people understand you. So you are becoming real with yourself, you are removing the mask, you're connecting with yourself, you're becoming honest with yourself, you're taking note of that feelings, what feelings are good for you guys, what you need to change. You're doing that also, I feel like. Okay, there is a lot of healing also happening for you guys. You're healing your past wounds, you're embracing your inner child, you're laughing a lot with your family, you're communicating with your family. If you're away from your family, you're calling them, you're talking to them. If you're with your family, you're enjoying having celebrations, like maybe enjoying festivals together, eating together, laughing together. And with this success, yeah, spiritually you are growing, you're moving forward. And I feel like career wise, relationship wise, communication wise, everywhere there is success for you guys. There is a lot of growth for you guys. Maybe for some of you, in your family, someone will get pregnant and you will be enjoying a gala time with them. You'll be happy for their happiness. Or maybe you're getting pregnant, you're having a gala time with other people, you're talking with them, right? So that's something I feel like. A lot of joyful times will also be there, like taking photos together, taking selfies, enjoying, eating a lot of good stuff, cooking, helping other people. So that's something like family togetherness. And you, in your all parts of your life, I feel there is going to be a lot of success and growth. Okay, so let's see what you need to surrender in the month of September. Surrender to joy. Yeah, there will be times when you will be thinking about your work. Your family is away, they're coming to your house, and that time also you might be thinking about your work. Oh my god, if they take 2 days, they're coming for 2 days, what will I do? I'll not be able to work 2 days. Or maybe you will be very too much about your career. You might be thinking about what you need to do. So it's like, take that 2-day break. Don't think about it, about your career. Just surrender to joy. Celebrate small wins. Okay, surrender to joy. That's very important. Sometimes we don't do that, right? Even though good things are happening, we don't surrender to joy. We always stress. So don't do that. Surrender to joy. Whenever there is a joyful time, when people are coming together, whenever you're talking with someone, be happy. Okay, don't stress about don't stress that you're wasting time. No, you're not wasting time, you're enjoying. And life is about to enjoy. So September month is to enjoy, to surrender to joy, to have that beautiful time, to laugh, to eat together, right? Family love. Or if you're away from family, or if you live with partners, spend some quality time with them, enjoy a movie with them, and enjoy. Don't think anything about about your job, about what work you have to do. Just enjoy it. Okay, that's very important. And definitely you need to celebrate your small wins also, guys. So if you have a small victory, enjoy it. Be proud of that small wins. Okay, that's very important for you guys. Okay, So let's see what else is the message from your spirit guides for the month of September. Voice of truth. Stand strong, focus on your purpose, release the fear of persecution, and speak your truth. Okay, so with this communication also, I feel like your the way you communicate will be perfect in the month of September. So if you are in a communication field, if you make YouTube videos, if you do some Instagram, if you are writers, whatever you do, if you give messages to other people, you will give it very beautifully. Okay, your voice is going to be heard. That's something I feel. So if you haven't been recognized, I feel there is going to be a lot of recognition. And sometimes what happens, we are so afraid to say our truth. So don't be like that in the month of September. Speak for yourself, speak your truth. So if you want, if you feel like that you don't want to go somewhere, if you don't want to meet someone, so maybe you need to speak that no, I don't want to go out with you. Or maybe it's like, if you want to unfollow some people from your life, just do it. Speak your truth. Don't be afraid, right? Don't let fear come in between. So it's important. If for some of you it's like your throat chakra, you need to work on your throat chakra. So maybe sometimes you have problem, right? So maybe your family member, for some of you, maybe there are people, maybe there might be some people who will say something that you don't like, and you don't say something back because you feel like they will be hurt. So maybe you need to not stop yourself, just say your truth, like in a compassionate manner. Okay, say it. If they are coming, like if they don't have a boundary, if you don't have a boundary, it's time to set a boundary. Okay, that is something very important. Don't let other people enter that boundary. Okay, so yeah. And yeah, if you're in a communication field, I feel like you will be very good at it. There will be a lot of success. Okay, you will be able to open up. You will be easy. Yeah, you will be able to easily say your truth. What you want to say, you will be able to say. In your love area also, you will be able to communicate with the person. So if there are misunderstandings, if there are problems, you will be able to come into creative solutions, right? So yeah, there is a lot of peace and harmony and togetherness. Okay, that's something I feel. And we have again a message from your spirit guides, that is, inner earth, you will survive this. New solutions and beginnings. Again, we have beginnings, like new solution, beginnings. So if there is an obstacle, you will have a solution for that, and you will start new. Like everything is going to be new beginnings. Like there is going to be a lot of opportunities for you guys. Like you are going to see a very bigger vision. Your vision is also going to be very big. Okay, so think big, guys. I feel like this is also a message, like it's time to think big for your future. Manifest good things, big things. You will be able to achieve it. Okay, so yeah, a lot of creative solutions. And whatever problems you have in your life, if you're feeling like, oh my god, what to do with this, so just sit with yourself, cut that social media out, sit with yourself. You will receive a lot of solutions. You will get it. Okay, for some of you it's like you're talking to your partner, they will give you a message, and through that you will be like, oh, I can do that, and you will get a message, like you will get that solution. So yeah, the communication area is also very important for you guys, but at the same time you need to filter out things that is good for you. So filtering is going to be very important for you guys. Okay, but definitely there is a lot of new beginnings, solutions, and yes, obstacles. You're removing obstacles. that's something I feel. And the last thing is like backpack, and we have this world card also. So for some of you, yeah, definitely you're going to travel, you're going to meet your family, you're going to have a wonderful time with them. So enjoy that time. At that time also, don't think about all the things like your career or what you have to do, you have to pay your bills, or just surrender to joy. That will be very important. If you have 10 days off, if you're on a vacation for 10 days or 5 days, enjoy that 5 days. Don't think anything, just enjoy. Okay, so definitely there is a chance for travel. This is a message from fairies. So get your compass, adventure is yours, get out of the city and enjoy the outdoors. Okay, so for some of you it's like you need to connect with nature more, and we have this inner earth also. So maybe going out, taking a walk, like every evening going out, have a walk, just look into the nature. That is something you need to do, and when you do that, you feel very relaxed. It's like that is the time when you will be able to receive messages. That is when you will be able to get in touch with your intuition, right? With this perception card also, if you're all the time scrolling, all the time on laptop, how you will be connected to your intuition? So that's what I feel. Maybe with this shoes also, like put on the shoes, have a run, have a walk, go out. For some of you, get out of your house, of your bed, take a small break, have a vacation, go near a water body, enjoy that time. If you can go with your partner, enjoy the time with them, enjoy that outdoors, okay? And when you're there, when you're in nature, that is when you're so connected to the divine. You see a lot of signs, symbols, you see small miracles, and you'll feel very good, okay? So that's all for my lovelies. Bye bye, take care.